Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the natural gas pilot assembly in this A.O. Smith gas water heater, you will need a 7/16" wrench, a 3/8" wrench, a 1/2" wrench, an adjustable wrench, a 1/4" nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the gas supply to the unit. Detach the outer burner tube assembly cover. Disconnect the safety thermostat wires, as well as the spark wire. Use the 7/16" wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the pilot gas tube from the gas valve. Use the 3/8" wrench to unthread the nut to release the thermocouple from the valve. Now use the adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the main burner tube from the valve. Use the 1/4" nut driver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the burner tube assembly. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the burner tube assembly out. Turn the assembly upside down and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws to release the burner head. Turn the assembly upright and use the flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers to detach the retaining clips securing the insulator block. Note the positioning of the wires and tube, then remove the two halves of the block. Unthread the screw securing the pilot assembly, and you can fully remove the old assembly. To prepare the new pilot assembly for installation, unwind the new tube so it matches the contour of the old tube. Unthread the nut and remove the ferrule. Slide the nut onto the new tube, then align the ferrule. Confirm the pilot orifice is in place. Then insert the tube into the pilot and use the 1/2" wrench to thread and tighten the nut. Next, transfer the thermocouple from the old pilot to the new one, or install a new thermocouple. Transfer the spark igniter wire insulator as well, or slide on the new insulator. Now install the assembly by first inserting the tube and wires through the burner assembly plate. Align the pilot on the bracket and thread the screw to secure. Properly orientate the wires and tube. Then reassemble the two halves of the insulator block. Snap the retaining clip into place to secure. Turn the assembly upside down, then align the burner head and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the burner assembly by positioning it in the tank opening so the tab on the front of the assembly is inserted into the bracket in the tank cavity. Thread the two mounting screws to secure the assembly. Insert the provided compression nut fitting into the gas valve and thread loosely. Insert the pilot gas tube into the fitting until it stops. Then tighten the nut. Insert the main burner tube into the valve and thread the nut to secure. Next, insert the thermocouple and tighten the nut. Attach the spark wire to the spark igniter wire on the valve. Connect the safety thermostat wires to the terminals. Reinstall the burner tube assembly cover. Turn the gas supply back on. With the burner on, you can check the main burner tube and the pilot tube for leaks using a soap and water solution.